Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day, and if you're brand new to my channel then hi, my name's Kate and I make videos about interiors, fashion, organisation, being a mum, lifestyle, that kind of thing. So I would love for you to subscribe. The button is just down there and it's completely free. So before I start, a little bit of a disclaimer I guess. This video wasn't actually meant to be a video because we went over to Lakeside today. We went to Ikea and B&M, two home bargains. I've ordered some stuff from Amazon and I wasn't planning on showing you what I got because I'm just a bit worried about, like, people are getting a bit cross at influencers for leaving the house at the moment, but in the UK we're not actually in quarantine or on a lockdown, so because our children are still in school it's really hard to not just carry on living a normal life. We've actually cancelled a weekend away and we're not leaving the house as much, but I did need to pop out and get a few bits. I am in no way stockpiling, that is not what this video is about. I just wanted to share with you what I got because there is a lot of horrible stuff going on in the world at the moment, isn't there? And watching what a girl got from B&M is not the most important thing in the world. I completely understand that, but I'm quite an anxious person and I feel bombarded with it a lot, so I just thought I'll film it, I'll show you what I got, and it's just a little bit of light relief from what's going on in the world at the moment. So even if it's just, you know, like 20 minutes to relax and not think about it, although I am talking about it right now, that's what I thought I'd make this video for. So yeah, we're looking to do a big spring clean and organisation of the house over the next couple of weeks, so I was planning to get most of this stuff anyway and I'm going to share it with you now. I've also been watching a lovely lady called Rosie Henshaw, and I think she said she literally just films her videos on her iPhone and just clicks record and doesn't edit any of them, and like it really inspired me to try and just do this video without hardly editing at all. I don't know if I can do it, I'm so used to editing videos, but I love her content. I definitely think you should check it out because she does hauls like this, she does like crafty stuff, try-ons, so yeah, I'll leave her linked below because I think you will love her. So anyway, let's just get straight into this. It might not seem like organisational stuff to start with, I just want to get some random bits out of the way and then you will see that it is mainly organisation. So anyway, I'm going to start with home bargains. So I popped there today. I got the boys some Play-Doh because it's coming up to the Easter holidays anyway, so I did want to get a few supplies for when they're at home, but before that it could mean that we are stuck in the house a lot more, so anything like this will be really handy to have. I think I'm gonna have to chuck things on the floor as I've done them so that I'm not getting confused. I also got them 2 new water bottles. These are really cute little dinosaur ones with the straws. They're always losing these or like breaking them, so I just thought they were nice. I think they're like £1 or £2 each. I really don't remember how much everything was. And then I also have got a fair bit of Easter stuff because it is coming up to Easter. So I got these Easter sprinkles, which I just thought were lovely. They're like tiny little dots, sprinkles with Easter eggs in, and also yellow chicks. So we'll definitely be doing some cake making and biscuit making, and I just thought that, well, they love sprinkles. I know they'll love those. So I got those, and then I also got some, like, you'll see a fair few Eastery treats for the Easter egg hunt and stuff. So I got some chocolate bunnies and then these marshmallow sugary ones. I got these at Christmas as well, Grinch ones, and the boys loved them. So I just thought these were really sweet little bunnies, lambs, carrots and eggs. Yeah, so I have to get to everything because if you don't know, I have 2 little boys. So I also picked up 3 DVDs. These are actually for my nan and granddad. I know they're going to watch this video and it was meant to be like a little surprise, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, just turn off the video, Nan and Grandad, Nan and Pat. I got them The Greatest Showman. I can't remember if they have this because I know my Nan really wanted to see it, but she probably has it by now. But anyway, if she does, it doesn't matter. But this is one of the most feel-good films ever. I also got a film called Brooklyn. Have never seen it, but it looked like their kind of thing, and also A Star Is Born because my nan asked me if it was good. I'm like, Nan, it's the best film ever. So I got them those to watch because they're going to be stuck in a lot, and I just thought having some new DVDs would be really nice. And then just quickly randomly back to Easter, look at this guy. This is the cutest little bunny I've ever seen. Hopefully this is focusing okay. I don't know if it is today. I loved him. It actually comes with a little carrot, which I saw because this one was on its own. And I was like, I have to have him, he's on his own. And I then found the ones that weren't broken with the carrot and I was like, I just like him, he's cute. So I didn't get the one with the carrot on, but I feel like he needs a name. And I feel like I keep looking at him and I know his name. I don't know, it's on the tip of my tongue. So if you can think of a name for this guy, let me know in the comments below because he is adorable. I love him. I might change his bow colour. But yeah, I just thought he'd be really nice to have out. And then I also found this little Happy Easter plaque, and I love pastel colours. This was like £1.99, and I actually saw it in Home Bargains and B&M, so you could probably get it in either. And yeah, that was just cute. I thought that was really nice. 2 pairs of gardening gloves, because we will be continuing our garden renovation hopefully this spring, so we can get back out there now. So we've got those to carry on with it. You can see what we've done so far, like on my channel. I'll try and put a little thing up here if you're interested in what we did. Okay, on to some cleaning products. I got some Zoflora Twilight Garden. I think Twilight Garden is probably my favourite scent, and I don't really see it that often, so I picked up this fairly large one whilst I saw it. Then I got just some conditioner, which I thought was conditioner, but I've just looked at it and it's shampoo, and I didn't need shampoo, I needed conditioner, so that's brilliant. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Nutri-Gloss. If anyone wants to swap me for some shampoo, for some conditioner, let me know. Anyway, I also got some Ace for whites, because I've heard a lot of good things about this and I've never tried it. So let me know if you think it's good, if you use it, if you've got any tips. I'm just going to put it in with a whitewash and see how bright everything comes up. Yeah, if it works. This is very exciting. That's the kind of thing that happens when you're nearly 30. And then just to add another random thing in, which I probably should have shown you earlier when I was showing you sweets, these Barney Bears were £1.09 for 8, which I thought were really good. My boys love these as a little snack treat, so I got those. I got loads of stuff from B&M, but I'm going to go on to some organisational stuff in case that's why you've solely come here to watch. So you can kind of see the blue to the corner, I hope. Went to Ikea, if I hadn't already said that. Oh my goodness, I've got random stuff, so just bear with me. I got a Reba frame, Reba, and to go in it, I got this print, which I mentioned in my last come shopping to Ikea with me, because I just really liked this print. It actually comes with 3, which, to be honest, I don't love the others as much, so I just got it for this, really, and the frame, and then it will just, oh dear, it will just sit in the mount. I'm not showing that well at all, but I just thought it was a really nice illustration drawing, so I got that. Then I got 2 big 50 by 50, oh no, these are 60 by 65. I am literally not paying attention. Maybe that's what I needed. Hopefully, hang on. Yeah. Oh my God. So I needed new back cushions for the bed. Ours are really old and they just not, like, all the corners have all sagged in. So I got these ones with these sort of linen, creamy, natural looking pillowcases for them. These are the Jaw Frid ones, so I got these. Hopefully they are nice. So literally just got like 2 lots of each. Let's pop those down there. And then I got some really random stuff. So I've been a little bit obsessed with Stacey Solomon's Instagram stories recently, and I really wanted to get some storage like she's got. So she's got like all of these in her fridge. She's so organised. I'm not sure I could ever be that organised. I only actually picked up 2 of these because they didn't have that much in the store. Maybe everyone's had the same idea. But I thought these would be really nice for leftovers or something in the cupboard anyway. And I'm going to just collect more, I think, as I go along. So I got those, and I also got, oh, I might as well show you this one. So what I went in for was all of these, and then in the whole jar section, they didn't have any of these ones. They had all the different shapes and all the bamboo lids. Then we went downstairs to where the food market is, and that's where all of these ones were, but I hadn't got any of the bamboo lids. So in the end, I just got myself one. This isn't going to really help the organisational situation, but I'm going to just try it out, see what I think, if this is a good size. If not, I can order some on Amazon or online and do it that way. But they're a good price in there, and you can get plastic lids, bamboo lids, so I thought I would, you know, give it a go. I also picked up this plant. I think it is meant to be a eucalyptus. When you're looking at it up close, or maybe even from here, it is very faux looking, but I love trading plants and I can never keep them alive. So I thought just up on a shelf in a nice pot, it might actually look quite good, and again, quite inexpensive. So I got that. How many times can you say quite? Right, so got all of that, and then more organisation stuff. I got one of these boxes. These are so handy for so many different things. I will show you all of this in videos and over on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. My handle is @KateBobo. So yeah, you'll see what I end up using all of these for. So I got that, and then I also got these ones, which are just really cute little ones with the lids. So again, these will come in handy whether it's for the boys stuff or stuff that I find that I need to organise. So there's 3 in each, so grab 6 of those. Oh, see, I'd usually cut that out, but hopefully you don't mind. And then something else that I have to say I saw on Stacey Solomon's Instagram were these pegboards. I've had pegboards before, but wooden ones, not metal ones. And she used it to organise her son's gaming cupboard. And I was like, that is genius. I don't know how these are going to fit. There was one that was like one of these and not two separate bits, but we were a bit worried because we stupidly didn't measure beforehand what size we would need. So we decided to go for these two, and we're hoping that we can put them together. And there's literally no room down here anymore to put anything. It's so annoying. Sorry guys, I shouldn't buy so much stuff, should I? Right, so on the pegboards, hopefully you can imagine this, and again I will show you, there's all of these little accessories that go with it, and I'm just so excited to hopefully do this cupboard and surprise him, because even though it just helps me keep it organised, he will think it's just all for him and he'll love it. So like this little rack that you can put things in here you can't really see them at the moment, but these are little clear boxes that you hook on the pegboard. I also just got some things in case I need these to hook the pegboard onto the wall, I attach it. Another one of those. What else did we get? Sorry, this is so random. More just little hooks, so you can just hook things on. They also do these like cables that you can put in a cross and I guess like fit stuff behind it. We just thought that would look quite cool. And also these, so hard to see, oh sorry. So they're just pegs. So I thought that might be good to peg something. And then also this one, I guess I'll have to show you in the picture, is a little bag. So I thought for any odd things that we just haven't got the right stuff for, we can just hook the bag on and put them in that. So yeah, I think that's everything we got for the gaming board, I think we're going to call it, and if I can do it I'll be so happy. We also got the boys this pack of paper. I think it was only £3 something, and I don't know how well you can see, but there's loads and loads of colours in there and white paper. They just get through paper so quickly. They love drawing, so I just thought why not get it whilst we see it. What else do I have here? Right, I'm going to move on to some stuff from Amazon, because that was all organisational bits as well, and then I've got like cleaning stuff and other bits from B&M. So I got some acrylic storage. Now back in the day I would have used this kind of thing to store makeup. I still might, but I got this one to store the boys' pens. And then if I can lift it from this position, oh my goodness. I got this one, it's an A4 one, to put all their paper in, and I just thought it would be nice to be able to see it all. So I know I haven't taken this out of the box, but you can imagine it's the same thing, just like half the depth, for pens and paper for their arts and crafts cupboard. So I hope they'll really like that, because I'm going to do a bit of organising in there as well. Then I picked up this. I've literally just got all of this out of the box. It arrived whilst we were out today. This is just a little sink tidy, because we're always putting like the sponge and the little brush on the side of the sink. So I just wanted something that I can like suction on and have in the sink, so it's like less messy. And I thought that one was quite just neat, really. I got this. I'm sure I got two, but maybe I didn't. We really have a problem with our plates. We like stack our big plates, little plates, bowls all on top of each other, and then you can never get to anything. So I'm just going to put them on these shelves in the cupboard, and hopefully, is it that way? Hopefully that will solve the issue. I love getting organised so much. And then I found this. I'm not sure if it's going to work, and you literally, if you don't know what this is not helpful at all, but it all folds out and screws together. And it makes like a pots and pans rack. Let me see if the picture shows it any better. Nope. So again, once I've done it, and if it works, I'll show you, but it's like a big rack that you put in the cupboard, and then you stack pots, pans, frying pans, all that on it. So again, it will save them all being stacked up on top of each other and you having to like pull them out and everything breaking and stuff. So apparently it comes with cloths as well, which is a bonus. So I got that. I feel like I got more from Amazon, but maybe it hasn't arrived just yet. So let me just see if I can move to just get the B&M boxes. Oh my god, this video is like 20 minutes long, sorry. Okay, so B&M cleaning products. Managed to get some floor wipes. We don't use wipes a lot, but we do like to have them just like a pack to be handy, so I got that. needed some new floor cleaner, so I thought I would try the Flash Traditional natural French soap. I've heard people talking about this and I thought it might smell like really nice and clean. It's like a lavendery scent, I think, so I got that. Paracetamol. I also got some Febreze. This is the Sparkling Bloom scent. So, I'm just finishing filming. I got some Flash bathroom spray because I cleaned the bathroom like yesterday and it's nearly all gone. This is the one with Febreze, so I had to get some more of that. And then also one of my favourite things, the 1001 Carpet Fresh, and this is the fresh linen and white flowers. Just makes the whole upstairs of the house smell amazing, and downstairs obviously if you have carpet. And I got Bin Buddy, which I've never had before, so I'm very excited to have a really nice smelling bin. And like, how cute is the packaging of that? It's like a little mini bin. Oh, I can smell it. And then, okay, I'm still going. Right, this is a little bit random. I also got my nan some milk tray, double layered to cheer her up. And then I got an Easter egg, random Easter eggs for like the boys, my nephew, you know, people that I need to get Easter eggs for. So that's a Kinder Egg Trolls one. And then I also got, this is so random, I also saw these, which are just like ready to microwave packs of quinoa, 2 of those, and also curried lentils. Who doesn't get curried lentils with their organisational items? Everyone does. Okay, we're nearly there. So, what else did I get? So then I just got the boys some Easter egg. I'm trying to keep my voice down because Archie's going to hear me. These are like egg cups for Easter, but they're painting ones. They love these kind of things. So we just thought they would be a cute little, you know, just a bit of time for them to concentrate on that and, you know, give us a second to have a cup of tea. Also found these really cute Ferrero Rocher squirrels. I've never seen these before. I love Ferrero Rocher, it's like my favourite chocolate, so I got those. They might disappear. And then more Easter eggs. I'm losing my train of thought now. More Easter eggs because we'll be doing an Easter egg hunt, so I thought I would just get them all and put them away. I got those, and then I got some cookie mix because I just think things like this are so good to have in the cupboard. If you're having a day at home and you're like, oh, what do we do? You can just go, let's bake cookies, and you like seem like a really like put together mum, but it's just this. So it's just easy, you know. And then, oh, also on the same train of thought, icing, just buy some biscuits. You can ice the biscuits and kids just love that, so I got those. And I also got them Millions. I know these are not Easter eggs, but they're like their favourite sweets and they never get to have them, so I thought I'd get them each a pack of those. Oh, I have to move now. And then, very last but not least, I got them Millions Easter eggs, which I think they will really like. They're just chocolate eggs with Millions in the middle. Got those. I got another brownie mix. You can tell I'm getting a little bit desperate and worried that we're not going to be able to leave the house. Just, you know, baking stuff. They love a bit of baking, so I got them those. And then pretty much the rest is Easter egg hunt stuff. So like bunnies, animals, galaxy mini eggs, and these M&M ones, which actually now looking at them I remember people saying are really, really hard. So we'll just eat these because these I think are a little bit dangerous for them. And that is everything. I'm sure I've missed something because this room is just like gone and exploded with stuff. But it's all for a good reason. It's stuff to put away for Easter, stuff to get the house organised, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of it with the minimal editing. If it's a bit, I know it's a bit long, but hopefully, like I said, just gives you a bit of a break from every bit of rubbish that's happening right now. I don't know. Hope you're all well, guys. Stay safe. Look after yourselves. I'm thinking of everyone at the moment in this not very nice time. I'd love to chat to you in the comments. So yeah, I will see you very soon. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be loads of organisational videos coming up to kind of show you what I'm doing with this stuff, and over on Instagram. And that is me shutting up. So I will see you again very soon. Bye guys.